Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete a tax form in TurboTax. This is particularly useful when you've accidentally filled out the wrong form or need to remove outdated information from your tax return. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to open your TurboTax app. To do this, launch your browser and navigate to turbotax.intuit.com. Once the page loads, sign into your account if you haven't already done so. Make sure you have your login credentials ready, as you'll need them to access your tax information securely. After your account has loaded and you're on the main dashboard, you'll need to navigate to the Tax Tools section. Look over to your left navigation menu where you'll find various options for managing your taxes. Click on the Tax Tools drop-down menu. This will expand to reveal several additional options that help you manage and customize your tax filing experience. From the expanded menu that appears, go ahead and click on Tools. This section houses all the advanced features and utilities that TurboTax offers for managing your tax forms and documents. It's where you'll find the specific function we need to delete your tax form. Once you click on Tools, a small window will pop up on your screen. This window displays several options, showing all your available tax tools in one convenient place. From here, you need to locate and click on Delete a Form. This option is specifically designed to help you remove any forms you no longer need or want included in your tax return. After clicking Delete a Form, you'll be presented with a comprehensive list of all the forms you've filled out and filed under your TurboTax account. Take a moment to review this list carefully to ensure you're selecting the correct form. Each form will be clearly labeled, making it easy to identify which one you want to remove. Now simply locate the specific tax form you wish to delete from the list. Right next to each form, you'll see a trash icon. Click on this trash icon next to the form you want to remove, and the form will be deleted from your tax return. And there you have it. You've successfully removed the tax form from your TurboTax account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.